There are 5 main points to estate planning that we try to cover with every single family that comes in. Number 1 and the foremost in California is probate avoidance. That's what all the advertising you see in the newspapers and on television is typically geared towards in California. It's just avoiding probate. It's an expensive, time-consuming ordeal for most people. What most people don't consider is what I say should be the number 2 aspect of estate planning, and that is planning for incapacity. Statistics show us that 2/3 of all of us will become incapacitated before we die, and most people have done no planning and have nothing in place to assist with incapacity. The third point we want to address is we can reduce or eliminate estate taxes with proper estate planning. That can be done with a will or with a trust, but with the probate avoidance aspect, most people that have taxable estates don't want their estates going through probate. The fourth aspect of estate planning that we always want to address for families with children is how are we going to manage the children's assets. We don't want children inheriting money at age 18. Typically, depending on the amount of money involved, we'll want to have the assistance of an older person, a more mature person, helping manage that money until 30 or even 35. Again, it depends on the specifics of each family. Some people want their children's money managed to a later point in time. The fifth aspect of estate planning that is critical, and that is if you have a disabled child. And that could be through an injury at birth, it could be a traumatic brain injury, or it could be an addiction. Any sort of disability for a child, it is just critical to have comprehensive estate planning in place for that child. At the law firm of Thompson Von Tungeln, all we handle are probate trusts and estates. We have 2 certified specialists with us. What that brings to the client is just a wealth of experience and knowledge and practical advice.